What if I told you the cost of a private nursing home room is now over $116,000 a year and rising fast? Whether it's in-home help, a few hours a day, or full-time care inside a facility, the reality is care is not cheap and it's only getting more expensive. So what's causing this spike? Well, it's two things. First, people are living longer. As more baby boomers enter their 80s, the demand for care is skyrocketing. And second, we're facing a major caregiver shortage. There aren't enough professionals to meet the needs, so costs go up. It's basic supply and demand dynamics. And Medicare likely won't cover this unless it's short-term skilled care prescribed after a hospital stay. That's why planning early matters. So what can you do to protect both your income and your independence? First, understand your personal risk. About 70% of Americans over 65 will need some kind of long-term care at some point. But this isn't one size fits all. Your family health history, lifestyle, and whether you're a single or married person all play a big role. For couples, it's especially important to think about how to fund care for one spouse while making sure the other still has income and stability. Second, evaluate long-term care insurance. This can be a smart way to transfer some of the risk if the policy fits your goals. There are traditional policies that pay daily benefits, and then there are hybrid options that combine life insurance with long-term care coverage. Those often let your family receive a benefit even if you never use the care portion. But here's the thing, these policies get more expensive the longer you wait, and most require good health to qualify. A fiduciary financial advisor can help you weigh the pros and cons based on your full financial picture. Third, create a dedicated care bucket. We often recommend carving out a separate portion of your portfolio just for future care needs. Think of it like a rainy day fund, specifically for health. Why do we do it this way? Well, because when the time comes, you don't want to have to dip into your main income stream or panic sell your investment assets. And fourth, look into state programs and tax-smart tools. Depending on where you live, your state may offer partnership programs that protect more of your assets if you own private long-term care insurance. And if you're still working, health savings accounts, or HSAs, can be a powerful triple tax-free way to set money aside for care. Even Roth IRAs or life insurance policies with long-term care riders can play a role if they're coordinated properly. Let's be honest. A lot of folks assume a spouse or adult child will step in if care is needed. But informal caregiving is no small thing. It can mean time off work, physical exhaustion, and emotional stress. The most loving thing you can do is plan ahead, so your family supports you without having to sacrifice their own health, finances, or their future. Here's the big idea. Long-term care costs are rising, yes, but that doesn't mean your retirement has to suffer. When you build care planning into your overall retirement income strategy, you give yourself the freedom to choose the care that you want, the power to protect the wealth you've worked so hard for, and the confidence that you and your family are covered no matter what. So if you're ready to take that next step, head over to haywoodwealth.com and schedule your Retirement Pathfinder analysis. It's a one-on-one session where we'll help you build a customized, tax-efficient income plan, one that protects your lifestyle and your long-term care needs. If you have questions or a personal experience with long-term care, please drop a comment below because I'd love to hear from you. And like this video if it was helpful. Share it with someone you care about. And hit the subscribe button for more retirement education made simple. Thanks for watching, and remember, your future isn't something to fear. It's something to plan for with purpose. Hi, my name is Justin Haywood, founder of Haywood Wealth Management. And if you're interested in learning about how we help our clients live their retirement to the fullest, visit us at haywoodwealth.com. Thank you so much.